Who your closest friend? Abel Hernandez. How did you miss him? Anna Faru. Where was I meeting her? How many friends do you have in social network? I am very select when selecting friends. That's why I have 193 friends. Who were your best friend when you were little? My brother, because we live in communion and we share most the fame they gave us. Do you have friends who have exciting life? Why? Because after living a normal life, feel now it has become in a person who preaches the gospel to the people where you live. Thank you.